Hello, I am the Frugal Engineer. I want to do a different video today. Are you looking to start learning Arduino? If the answer is yes, I think this video may help you. I would like to show you the Arduino starter kit that I would recommend to anyone that is looking to start with this hobby. Now, before I show you my recommendation, a couple of items I want to cover. First, I would leave the link to the item in the description below, but I don't get any commission from it. Second, the Arduino is not an official one, it's a clone, or how they call it, compatible with Arduino IDE. However, there are clones and clones. This one, from this brand, in my opinion, is one of the best. However, if you really want to buy an original Arduino, you can always visit their official shop, they have an amazing high quality packs. But if you are learning, with my recommendation should be more than enough. I will leave all the links in the description below. So this is the pack that I recommend. The ELEGOO clone is in my opinion one of the best clones available. As you can see, it has a full-size microcontroller, the ATmega32B, that will allow us to provide more current to all the Arduino outputs, meaning we can work on more type of projects without the need of external energy sources. I'm not using this at the moment, I moved home not long ago and unfortunately I haven't been able to find an Arduino board. But most of my components I use in my videos come from this pack. As you can see, there are a lot of components included. Cables, different type of resistors, engines, servos, ton of different sensors. And a really good price. Here in the UK you can find it around 40–36 pounds. If you don't use an Amazon, you can find this pack on eBay for more or less the same price. I also saw they have a really cool packs to build robots, really interesting. I might buy one myself. Well, that was my short recommendation. Now is your turn. Do you have any recommendation for me? Please leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my short video. Please like and subscribe. It will help me a lot to continue doing these videos. Have a nice day.